Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Aspire to Achieve. Today I'll be sharing a proven roadmap with you on how you can earn 1 crore rupees using YouTube. As we all know, YouTube is no longer just a video or entertainment platform. It is a money making machine if used correctly. This session will guide you through choosing the right niche, monetization strategies, growth techniques, and revenue streams. Whether you are a beginner or already running a YouTube channel, by the end of this session, you will have a clear plan to achieve your financial goals and success. So, let us get started. To make big money on YouTube, choosing the right niche is crucial. Not all the content earns the same kind of money. Some niches have higher CPM. CPM stands for cost per thousand views. It means advertisers pay more for them. The most profitable niches include finance, business, technology, real estate, and healthcare. So, if you focus on these, you will earn significantly more. Trending topics such as artificial intelligence, automation, motivational content. So these have a lot of potential for viral growth. So pick a niche that aligns with your expertise and what audience demands. Now, let's talk about how to turn your views into money. YouTube offers multiple ways to make money, and the best strategy is to combine them. First, YouTube ad revenue. To qualify, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. This can bring, let's say, about 5 to 20 lakhs per year. Next, sponsorships and brand deals. So companies or the brands pay people from 10,000 rupees to 10 lakh per video, you know, for the influencers in the right niche. Then affiliate marketing, you can promote high ticket products and earn commissions ranging from 500 to 50,000 rupees per sale. Selling digital products such as ebooks or courses can generate anywhere from 10 to 50 lakh per year. And finally, super chats and memberships that allow the fans to support you directly. By combining these methods, you can reach your goal of 1 crore faster. Monetization alone won't get you to 1 crore. You need growth. Hence, here is the formula. First, post consistently, at least couple of high quality videos per week. Second, optimize your videos for search using the right keywords and trending topics. Third, improve your thumbnails and titles to increase the click-through rates. Fourth, engage with your audience. Reply to the comments, create polls, and build a community. Fifth, to elaborate with to collaborate with the influencers to reach new audiences. And finally, use YouTube Shorts. By following these strategies, you can grow faster and maximize your revenue potential. Now let's break down the numbers. YouTube ad revenue can get anywhere between 15 to 25 lakhs per year, depending on your niche and the views. Sponsorships can bring from 20 to 50 lakhs if you attract the right brands. Affiliate marketing and digital product sale can earn anywhere between 10 to 50 lakhs. Super charts and memberships can add from 5 to 10 lakhs. So by diversifying income sources, you can easily cross 1 crore annually. The key is to not rely on just one income stream. but to use a combination of these for your financial success. So, do you start today? Here is your step-by-step action plan. First, choose a profitable niche. Don't just pick what you like, pick what is valuable in the market. Second, start creating high quality and valuable content. And more importantly, post consistently. Optimize your videos using SEO techniques, catchy thumbnails, and trending topics. Fourth, set up the multiple monetization methods as we discussed earlier, such as AdSense, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, etc. And finally, very, very important, scale up by outsourcing editing and using automation. This will save a lot of time and it will improve your efficiency. So if you follow these steps, you will be on the path to becoming the next Crorepati with YouTube.